Hi, Swara.
Hi.
I'm Priyanka. Welcome to Catch Up Talks on social.
Priyanka ji.
Finally, Bhag Bini Bhag is out on Netflix. And how are you feeling? Tell us what's happening with you.
I am feeling very, very happy. I am very excited and I am very grateful. मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कि इस शो के रिएक्शन कैसे आएंगे बिकॉज यू नो मैं एक्चुअली सबसे ज्यादा डरी हुई थी जो स्टैंड अप बिट्स हैं उसको लेकर
हाँ.
क्योंकि आई एम नॉट अ कॉमिक एंड दैट वाज द पार्ट दैट आई वाज मोस्ट scared about when we were shooting also, but the response has been great and लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रही है because basically the show is actually not just about, it's not just about comedy. It's about a young girl who's trying to sort of, you know, वो एक जर्नी की स्टोरी है. मतलब एक्चुअली अगर लोग ऑफ कोर्स कंपेयर कर रहे थे मार्वलिस मार्वलिस मिसेस मेजल से, बट मुझे एक्चुअली लगता है कि द रियल कंपैरिजन शुड बी दैट इट इज लाइक वेक अप सेड.
Yeah.
It's basically that
The
show. So
realization of your dreams. आपका biggest scare was the comedy bits. So, what kind of prep did you put into the character?
मैं बेसिकली कॉमिक्स की स्टॉकर बन गई थी. मैं जितने कॉमिक्स के कांटेक्ट मुझे मिल रहे थे मैं उन्हें फोन कर रही थी कि हाय यार मिलोगे, खाने पे चलोगे. एंड आई थिंक सम ऑफ द गाइज वर लाइक व्हाट द हेल इज रॉन्ग विद स्वरा, लाइक इज शी लाइक आस्किंग अस ऑन अ डेट. सो आई डोंट थिंक मैंने इतनी मेहनत उन लड़कों पे करी है जिनसे मुझे प्रेम था जीवन में, जितनी मैंने इन कॉमिक्स पे करी है, उनसे मिलने की कोशिशें करी हैं. मैं ओपन माइक्स में जाके बैठती थी और मैं हमेशा पीछे बैठती थी डार्कनेस में बिकॉज आई हैड अ confidentiality clause with Netflix and we couldn't reveal that I was doing this show. And I remember a couple of times मेरे को लोग कॉमिक्स बोलते थे कि आगे आ जाओ जो लेट आए, और मैं आके बैठती थी and they'd be like और oh, and then they'd like make a joke about that. And then मैंने बहुत कॉमिक्स से हेल्प ली. सुमुखी सुरेश और सुमायरा तो लिख रहे थे जो सेट्स थे उनको. But I also Bassi Anubhav Bassi was a big help. He was like my tutor, my comedy guru. And Kumar Varun helped me a lot. Varun Thakur of course is in the show. He was tremendous. Kani Surka, Biswa, Kalyan Rat. So a lot of people were actually very sweet. Kamra of course, my dear friend. uh, so yeah, the comics helped me a lot, and I actually they all basically said कि यार तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा. The only way to do it is कि जाओ स्टेज पे, कुछ भी लिखो, कुछ भी करो, बॉम्ब करो, जो करो, लेकिन स्टेज पे जाओ. So I actually did do that. I wrote and performed in one in Delhi and one in Bombay. Very quiet. हमने बताया नहीं किसी को कि कौन है क्या है. And then I just went on stage and I did it. And yeah, it was amazing. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I was obviously learning, but it was really fun. It was very exhilarating, and it was, yeah, it was like an experience of a lifetime.
You're used to the spotlight being on you, the cameras being, around you. But was this any different? Like, वो जो एक nervousness होती है, क्या normally आपको होती है camera के सामने, or was there an added pressure here?
So I think that as an actor who's fairly familiar with the camera, I'm not. I don't have. I have obviously performance anxiety, nervousness before going on stage, which is natural. I don't have stage fear, but I think that there is a huge difference between performing for the camera and performing for a live audience. And I think that जो stand up comics सबसे उनका brave bit है वो ये करते हैं कि वो अपना खुद का लिखा हुआ, सबसे पहले तो हम लोग राइटर्स के टैलेंट पे तालियां लेते हैं. मेरे जितने फेमस डायलॉग्स हुए हैं मेरे सारे करियर में, उनका श्रेय एक्चुअली राइटर्स को जाना चाहिए. एंड आई आई थिंक दैट द फैक्ट दैट वो खुद अपने सेट्स लिखते हैं, उन्हें परफॉर्म करते हैं, इट्स सो एंड ऑडियंस आपको वहीं पे एक्सेप्ट भी कर सकती है, रिजेक्ट भी कर सकती है. इट्स सो ब्रेव टू डू दैट. एंड एक लाइव ऑडियंस के सामने परफॉर्म करने की अपनी एनर्जी होती है. So I think that is what I admire the most about comics, and that was quite a learning for me.
And normally we've heard this. Normally people say this. If you're nervous in front of an audience, just picture them naked or something. So was there any like a it's a funny saying, but are there any tips or tricks that that the comics taught you or told you when you're in front of before you went on stage?
Well, I think that the only trick they taught me was go bomb. That's how you learn. And I was like, wow, thanks. That is helpful. And I remember being like oh my god, like you guys are not giving me any real advice. Like ये क्या advice होती है कि जाओ बेइज्जती करा के आ जाओ. They were like यही होता है. But I think that um I learned a lot from watching other comics, and I learned a lot from sitting in open mics and seeing what's happening. So that was helpful. No, and I did not picture anyone naked because no.
Okay. And was there any like misconceptions or myths, or like any idea about comics in your head, that changed after you did this show?
Um I mean, the thing is that I have had friends who are comics, so I don't know if I have any misconceptions. But a lot of the female comics jokingly told me कि यार हम कोई इतना सेक्स नहीं कर रहा. कॉमेडी इंडस्ट्री में ये जो एक्साइटिंग बीनी की सेक्स लाइफ है ये रियलिटी नहीं है. So I don't know. I don't know if that's the truth, but that's what they say.
Okay.
That's what she said.
So what is the one stark difference that you found between you and Beanie?
यार मैं अपने रोके से तो नहीं भागती. I think आई थिंक वो एक अलग लेवल की गट्स है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं उस जगह तक पहुंचती.
Okay.
मैं रोके तक पहुंच ही नहीं जाती. क्या पता पहुंच भी सकती हूँ. No, yeah, I think that there was a lot in Beanie that was relatable. So the big difference between Beanie and me is that my parents have always been very supportive of my choices, my career choices right from the beginning. तो मुझे वो फाइट कभी नहीं हुई है. मैं कभी किसी के काउच पे नहीं सोई हूँ अपने दोस्त के मतलब.
Yeah. Okay. So, ये series Netflix पे है. There are so many other OTT platforms that have so many amazing shows and movies, originals coming out as well. How do you think this OTT culture has changed India ka content consumption habits, or at least like standards? How do you think
I
that?
think it's great because I think what the OTT culture has done is that because now so many international shows are available to us, I think our audience is becoming more exposed to different kinds of content and newer content, sometimes better content, and so the audience is becoming more open-minded, more aware, and you can see that reflected also in the kinds of shows that are being made on the OTT. I mean, the big thing with the OTT also is that कि ये it's a freer platform. जितने regulations films पे हैं, सरकारी regulations, censor का regulation, वो सब OTT पे नहीं है. So I think that वो आजादी जो OTT के पास है उसी की वजह से आप नया content, नए characters, नई कहानियां देख पा रहे हैं.
Can you tell me the one difference, or if you felt any difference between shooting for a movie and series? उसमें कुछ फर्क लगा है आपको?
I mean, honestly, मेरी एक्टिंग में कोई फर्क नहीं होता. इट्स नॉट लाइक हम अलग एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं फिल्मों के लिए, अलग एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं सीरीज के लिए, अलग एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक द मोर डिफरेंस इज रियली इन टर्म्स ऑफ द स्केड्यूल्स. सीरीज के कभी कभी लंबे स्केड्यूल हो जाते हैं थोड़े, या द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द काइंड ऑफ बजट्स दैट आर अवेलेबल, एंड I would assume that the difference is more in the writing, in the script stage, in terms of episodic content या film content. So it's not that मेरे लिए तो every character is the same. So I am prepping for every character in the same way. हाँ, in OTT you get a little more time to get into like more smaller nuances.
You also worked with Dolly for this. She's playing your best friend, and she's a content creator, and she's close to the influencer version of the friend in the show. So was there anything that you picked up about the influencer life or something funny that you can share with us?
So actually, Dolly's personality is nothing like Kapi's personality, because Dolly is a really lovely, steady, calm, very sort of a person who's really, really a woman of substance in that sense. Lovely, lovely, lovely person. And but I did realize one thing, that these influencers, they seem like, oh, content create kar rahe hain, whatever, but they're actually so hardworking. I mean, Dolly is relentless. She works so hard, and it's so meticulously planned, and she's so on point with her everything she's doing. So that was it's very impressive that such young kids are actually so driven and so hardworking and so organized. It was very impressive to see.
So would you rather be stuck at a boring party all night or Netflix and chill by yourself?
Netflix and chill by myself for sure.
Would you perform improv at an open mic or sing at an open mic?
Oh god, neither. Maybe perform improv.
Okay.
I'm bad at both. maybe sing, I don't know, depend करता है मैं किस तरीके से अपनी बेइज्जती कराना चाहती हूँ उस दिन.
ये भी try कर लेंगे. So would you rather plan every second of your life or see where life takes you? Like with Beanie?
I don't think I plan every second of my life. I do. I'm quite impulsive as a person, and I really believe in allowing. Also, I believe in destiny. I believe that things that are meant for you come to you. I believe in letting also like just allowing the universe to kind of do its thing. Also, I mean, so I'm not a big planner. I mean, I plan a little bit, but yeah, definitely the second option. I would let things take their course.
So would you rather eat just Maggie for the rest of your life or never eat it again?
Uh, as an actress, I think the healthy option is never eat it again. I think I would be
दिल क्या
sick.
चाहता है
I
Swaraj?
would be so sick if I only ate Maggie. So I'll go with never eat it again, though it's my favorite junk food.
Okay. Would you rather have Wi-Fi wherever you go or go on a month-long social media detox?
I'm okay with a month-long social media detox.
Okay, that's it.
I could use that.
Short and
I
sweet.
could use it.
Would
I
you-
could I could use losing my Twitter account for a month.
Oh God, Twitter is just
But only 1 month, huh? Then I need Wi-Fi all the time.
Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Swara Bhaskar, and I think that everyone should watch Bhag Beanie Bhag because it's been a really shitty year, and we could all use a reason to smile. And whatever Bhag Beanie Bhag is or is not, it is definitely going to put a smile on your face. And there's some great advice about having sex in public places, so check it out.
That's going to nail it. Pun intended.
Thank
Thank you so much, Farah. This
you
was
so much, sweetie.
Thank you.
Thank you.